So here we are, you guys. I just received my package from Sterling Ink and I wanted to open it with you. We'll get to this in a moment. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand, but that's okay. So here, this is like the annual like stickers. I do love a good packaging moment, I have to say. Okay, we got it, you guys. Okay, let me just unpack it. So this is sort of like a Hobonichi Weeks like dupe. Gold foil. Embossed. Very nice. It's a Sterling Ink. And then the other one is going to be the common planner. Oh, I love this color, you guys. Okay, let me just unpack it. I didn't get the gold foiling on this one because honestly it was kind of getting annoying from last year. Very nice. Oh, I can't wait to get into this. Okay, in a separate video, okay, in the next segment, we will go ahead and set both of these guys up. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, as you can tell by the title, we are going to be moving in and setting up my new common planner. I have two of them, and I thought that we would just kind of make the switch to just move into these two guys. I have the N2H compact. This is the full year. This is the week size one. And then I also have the B6 size for the half a year. So I thought that I would just see how I do with these two. I've been finding that the Hobonichi Weeks has been just a little bit stagnant, and so I kind of thought that I would just make the switch. I will set this up like in a separate video. So today my main focus was just to kind of talk about the switch and then mainly work on the B6 common planner, and in a separate video we'll do a little plan with me, maybe a little bit of a comparison situation with the weeks from common planner to the weeks from Hobonichi. So I'm actually going to just set this aside just because I don't want this video to be super long. But the main thing that I really wanted to focus on is just to kind of set them up for me to just move in, kind of figure out their purpose, see how we're going to be using them. So if that sounds good, then why don't we just get started? So first and foremost, if you are new here and we've never met, then hello and welcome. I'm so glad that you are here. I'm so glad that you're hanging out with me. The only thing you can see here is just my actual, oh my gosh, what is it? The shadow that you see right here, that's just me. Okay, let's take a look at her. It's very, very beautiful, as I remembered. I do appreciate that it does eventually lay flat, which is really lovely. I'm not sure if I'm going to walk you through like setting it up here, like with goals and everything. I would like to at least add in one goal for the month of July, because we're starting in July. I think I'm going to skip obviously all of that, and then we can just move straight in here with the perpetual calendar. I am planning on really just using the perpetual calendar, maybe just to either track workouts or I don't know. I haven't really fully decided just yet, so we'll have to figure that out. But here we are with June, which really we only have like a week left in June, so we can just move right into July. But like the purpose of this planner, in my opinion, sorry if this will actually mess things up with the lighting, just because we do have quite a bit of sunshine that's coming through. I also got these dates from Sterling Ink. I think that this will be good in the weeks. I don't think I need them in here just yet, so we're just gonna set that aside. So let me just do a little planner setup here. Okay, we're managing the sunshine a little bit, even though I love it when the sun kind of shines through. Sometimes it does create a bit of a glare. So here's what I'm kind of hoping to do with like the decor here. So I have, this is from the Modern Journaler. This is the July set, which is very fitting. So I have like the full sticker set here, but I really like, look how cute this is. I wanted to add the July sticker here. I did want to add, I wonder if this is one. I think this would look cute, or maybe up here. I really do love this, so maybe we can just put this down. Actually, let me see the other ones. Oh, actually, why don't we put this down here? Oh, look how cute this is, you guys. That looks good. Let me see what we have here. Look how cute this is. Oh, so cute with the layering. We got it, you guys. We got it. Okay. I don't think I wanted to add like too much more because I would like to add a little bit of like writing here, but I will add a few dots, which I think would be really cute. So just to kind of mark down, because we have here. So we can kind of mark down paydays. I don't want to write in anything more until I kind of know like what's happening for the month, but this is what the monthly looks like right now, which is really like, this is really nostalgic to how I used to use this. And then I thought that we would maybe just like set up the week. I should mention that if you enjoy videos just like this one, then make sure that you subscribe to the channel. You can also check out the membership section if you want to get access to early release videos, or if you wanted to see more behind the scenes and things like that. If you're interested in that, make sure that you check those out. I'm going to link it in the description. I don't think I need to. I think you just click the button that says join, and then it will automatically enroll you into the YouTube membership. But in the meanwhile, just the fact that you are here and you're hanging out with me and you're kind of coming along setting up this planner, it means the world. So let's get back right into the video. Even though it's not this week just yet, but I wanted to at least set up the layout and then just add a few decor pieces, and then that should be pretty much it. I would love to say, you know, like let's do more journaling and more decorating, but I know I will get carried away and I really don't want to do that. So I'm going to change the pen. I do wish that we would have like the last week of June. It's like a really nice way of just kind of transitioning in. But I mean, you know, I understand. I get it. Look how cute these are. Oh. I cannot have this many decorative stickers in front of me, because you know what's gonna happen. I will probably just want to use everything, and that's not really healthy for anybody now, is it? So I need to pace myself. I do really love this sticker sheet, and I would love to maybe use some of this. but I do think that it's a little bit big. You know what, why not? Why not just add it into like a sundae? Like, that looks so sweet. Oh, and like, look, just like tiny little icons. I don't know, like, what's happening, guys. I'm gonna see if I can add some of these in, which I thought would be like really cute. I think I forgot to bring like the little tweezers that I have, so it is a little bit more challenging to put these down, but you know, we'll make it work. So my main plan here, oh, see, like, look how crooked it got. My main plan for this planner is actually to kind of replace my Midori Hibino and sort of replace the Hobonichi Hon as a memory keeper, but mainly I'm planning on using this as my main planner that I want to use weekly, and I want to just use the dailies as I need them. Because sometimes I actually don't really need a daily, but I want to use the Midori Hibino as my daily like memory keep journaler, which means that I'm probably not going to be using the Hobonichi Hon. Like, I probably will, but that's gonna be like the last one on the docket. I really don't want to put like this massive pressure on that I need to fill that out on a regular basis, just because it does become a commitment, and I think I'm just about over the size, just about over it in general, because I'm not using it as a planner anyway. I do enjoy it, but I just don't have that level of like time commitment anymore where I really, here we go. I think I'm just gonna add one more little piece here. Here we go. I'm not really gonna add too much here. You guys can pretty much tell, okay, Noah's enjoying the fact that he's part of this video somehow. Oh, this is like a full stamp situation. I thought that these were like tiny little icons. Look at that. Oh, then we are definitely adding more because it's just so adorable. Can we please? We're not gonna be able to stop ourselves. Like, look. Oh. It's so cute, you guys. Okay, I'm not going to add any more because I really want to have space for me to just write, and then I can add tiny little icons. I do want to add some more dots. I don't think I actually have enough dots for the full month, but that's okay. I want to see what else is. Oh, it's this big one. Oh, look how cute this is. Just imagine adding that in here. I'm not going to do that. One thing that I kind of want to try though is to add like these larger. It would be nice if I could just add this over. Could I? You know what? Let's add that. That's actually not bad. I don't know if you can tell. I like that it's a little bit more bold of a font. That's one thing about the Common Planner that I appreciate, that her font and the color is more gray. So if you put something a little bit bolder on as at the top, it's not that big of a deal because it's easier to kind of just cover. See what I mean? Again, I recognize the irony that I'm missing my little tweezers. I would be able to make my life so much easier and faster and more efficient, but that's okay. I'm okay with this. Okay, here we go. At least the days of the week are in. I'm happy with it. I'm gonna add a few dots where I know it's gonna be relevant because this is the long weekend. This is when we're coming home because we're gonna be away traveling. And then I'm gonna be back in the clinic here. So I can already kind of mark that down. that's all I really wanted to mark. And this is basically all I got. I know this was a little bit of a long-winded video, but the main purpose of this planner is essentially to be able to take over as my main. So the main purpose of this planner is going to be for me to use this as like my daily planner and like keep track of appointments and things like that. Obviously do a bit more journaling in the back. So hopefully this will kind of fulfill the role of the Midori Hibino. And then the Midori Hibino can kind of start taking over for the Hobonichi cousin. So that's sort of the plan here. I do want to spend some time filling this out and actually keeping track of everything. So I haven't had a chance to do that just yet. I think I'm going to do that off camera, but for now, this is where we're going to end. I know I didn't want to like spend too much time on this or spend too much time on the decor. I do absolutely love this. This is so cute, you guys. I really like everything about this. So this is all I have. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you did, you can support the channel by subscribing and hitting the notification bell so you get notified every time I release a new video, and just keep planning, keep journaling, doing all the things, and I cannot wait to see you in my next one. Bye.